And the number one best Facebook group for affiliate marketing is there is not one. Why? There's so many of them. And in this video, I'm going to show you at least 5 plus of the best affiliate marketing groups you should be getting into, giving a look at, and immersing yourself within that community. Hi, my name is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuits, and in this video, I'm going to show you those 5 plus best affiliate marketing Facebook groups you should be getting yourself into. That way, you can learn from these mentors, learn from other people, contribute with one another, listen, speak up in there, and ultimately be able to help you in your affiliate marketing journey to be able to live the life that you want, have more freedom, and live it really on your own terms. Before I get started, if this is the first time you're watching me, I do come out with videos like this on affiliate marketing, different people, different groups, how to monetize, how to create offers, how to create the right content for your audience, and how to realistically do this full time, as I've been doing it for quite a while now, and be able to build up a good amount of income and making also a great impact, which is at the end of it, what you want is to create that value. So go ahead and get subscribed if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up so we can get this out to the world so they can learn more about it. And another thing that I'm going to leave for you is my 5 boring steps to making $1,000 plus per month with affiliate marketing. I'll leave it down below in the description, like one of the very first links you can check out. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to get into the share screen here and show you these Facebook groups. I'm on my Facebook profile here, or my Facebook newsfeed, and I have some shortcuts here that we can get into. But just by quickly me typing in the word affiliate marketing, let's have a look at what comes up. So yeah, I have one group up here that I'm running, but we'll go ahead and skip out of that one and continue to the other ones. And I have here the Super Affiliate Community by Jacob Karras. Hopefully I'm saying his last name right. But he has an affiliate marketing group full of high ticket affiliates. Basically, that's where you're selling a product or a service that's over $1,000, $1,000 plus. Everybody's definition of high ticket is different. 100 plus can be one thing, but essentially 1,000 plus. And he teaches people, he coaches people how to do that within his group, and he has a lot of people that you can learn from. There's 5,000 plus members in here. He's actively contributing, putting out videos that go to his YouTube channel and other material that he does. He's consistently posting. October 14. There's a video of him, and if you haven't followed him on YouTube, he has great material that he releases. And he was one of the top mentors that I listed in one of my other videos that I'll list down below in the description about the best affiliate mentors that you can go ahead and follow. I'm going to have a post on that you can read more of. But actively, there's people in here, 24,000 in 12 days, Boom Bang 24,000 in 12 days. Massive shout out to SSA, Super Affiliate Accelerator, his course, and Jacob and the team for putting together such a comprehensive guide to high ticket affiliate marketing. This program is next level, which is good. It's actually really quality. It's an awesome place to get going if you're just getting started. If you haven't gotten started in affiliate marketing, you're just trying to figure out who are the mentors to follow, the groups to get into, or if you have and you're just finding hard success in it and you're just failing, you're making mistakes and you don't know, you just need somebody or a community, because a community at the end of the day is what you do need the most. When you have that, you're able to bounce off ideas off one another, able to see what people are doing, that you could be eventually doing copying, modeling, and finding the success you need. And community also gives you that culture, that ecosystem to be able to get more immersed, feel more a part of, and it will help you take more action. So you're in the right place right now looking for a Facebook group. So now let me go back here. Another one is Automation Nation by Spencer Meekum, okay? Spencer Meekum is a top affiliate. He's been a top affiliate of the ClickFunnels affiliate program for quite a while, number one. And so here it is. He has his Automation Nation group, affiliate marketing, passive income for entrepreneurs. I'm in there always watching and seeing. Even at times I'll contribute. But there's a lot of people asking for ask any advice for anyone starting affiliate marketing without a website and YouTube channel. And you can see 25 comments of people, not only Spencer, but a lot of people are in there contributing. You can learn a lot from him. Other expert affiliate marketers, I'm in there helping out when I can, if I can. And I'm in there learning consistently every single day when it's time for me to do that, right? Because productivity matters every day. I don't just jump on Facebook every day in the mornings. I have my own system that I run through. And I also talk about that in having systems in the 1,000 plus per month. It goes even higher than 1,000 plus guide that you're going to get down below in the description for free. You can go ahead and get it. It'll give you a lot of information, a lot of the things that I've already shortcutted for you. That way you don't have to make those mistakes. So this is another one. Entrepreneurs are in here, beginning, intermediate, experts. You can get in there and learn from. There are also those, I don't want to say the word scammy, but kind of BS groups. Sometimes the affiliate marketing open groups. The ones that so far that I showed you are closed. Some of the other ones are more open. And when you learn from those, there's always a lot of people like posting random stuff like buy my course or give me your email address and I'll give you this. See Best Valentine offer 2020. People are always putting stuff in here that is not persuasive or it's not valuable. It's just trying to tell you to go buy something or opt in for something. So you got to be very careful for those type of groups. There's a lot of them. If you just type in affiliate marketing, a lot of them that are open group. People are posting on there consistently, but you have to be aware of who you're getting information from because some of it can be scammy or even if it's not worthy of learning from. It's just not, there's not enough value or they just copied somebody else's material and threw it up. That's not what you want, okay? There are more groups. I have my own, the Affiliate Marketing with SEO Mastermind group from me, Michael. You're going to get a lot of information. My group is still growing. I'm actively in there. Of course, I have other platforms, but I am as engaged in there. I'm always putting value into that group where you can get information from. Here, I'll click here. Sorry, my nose is itching. But you can learn from, and there's a lot of members in here. I put out a video just not too long ago, but you can learn from me and you can see the material that I'm pouring out and helping other affiliates get to their income goals that they want. Not just if somebody's doing this part-time, how can they do it full-time? Not only with a blog, because that's where I began, a blog, but how do you do it with other means of channels and other ways of producing that income? And how do you do it? How do you add value at the top to get people to eventually purchase through your offer? I'm actively putting information in there. I'm actively helping other people beginning to expert and beginners, intermediates, and experts. So you can go ahead and get in there as well. I have other groups too for other purposes, for other niches that I've grown as well. But excuse me, there's so many of these groups that you can follow in affiliate marketing. These aren't just the only ones, but you have so many of them. The Entre Nation group, it's another one. It's one of my favorites. It's a fast growing one, 10.4K members. It is not only for affiliate marketing. This is where Jeff Lerner, he is the creator of Entre Institute, which I'll leave a video for down below, but he basically built this place where you can learn how to achieve excellence in your personal, professional, physical life. And not only just in business in the three areas that he's created, which is affiliate marketing, digital agency, and course creation, but just a wealth of information and a wealth of knowledge from this millionaire entrepreneur who has gone through all the mistakes. And he has a lot of active people who are just joining, introducing themselves, people who have been finding success. He always posts videos and reminders where he's going to be going live, his content that he's been putting out on all these channels. Legitimate person. I'll leave more information about that in his blueprint. And you can also get his free guide to shortcut your way to understanding how to copy and model a millionaire that I'll leave down below again so you can check out. But this is another great affiliate marketing group. Amazing person. He once gave me a quick recognition in one of his Instagram videos where I saw him on live and I just said hi and he recognized my material. I started a health and wellness blog a while back and it's been growing. Does well. I still check up on it. And him and his wife gave me recognition. I was very grateful for that, so that they were able to actually notice that and be able to read my content and look at my video and material. And so I'm so grateful for that. It's not me saying it's not me trying to brag or being here cocky. It's just letting you know that he also cares about the people that he helps. And you could be that next person that's in that video, just contributing and saying hi to him. And it's just an amazing feeling to be able to be in there, but being able to progress is what's most important. And I know that's what you're looking for. So those are just 3+, with mine included, but there's so many of them out there that I'd be spending so many hours in here. I haven't even touched up on all of them. You have people like Pat Flynn. Another one, the ClickFunnels affiliate group, which I'm a part of. I've been a part of this group for many years now. Has over 83,000 members in this group. And this is like a premier group to get into, the Facebook ClickFunnels Avengers affiliates group. And there's a lot of people contributing here, beginners to intermediates and experts, people posting videos, helping each other out, asking questions, active. And it's a part of the ClickFunnels affiliates program. If you're not familiar with that, this is where Russell Brunson created. He's an affiliate marketer. That's where he began first and foremost, and has grown into this entrepreneur who came out with the ClickFunnels affiliate program and the ClickFunnels software, sales funnel software. And he has this amazing ClickFunnels affiliate program where you can choose from a lot of products, from digital information software to books to challenges to everything in between. It's just an amazing thing to get into and check out. I'll leave you more information down below how to get into the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp if you haven't already, but it's a challenge for 15+ super affiliates who will show you their strategies and tactics, everything from blogging to video to Facebook groups to high ticket to everything that you need to know to model somebody. I'll leave that down below. It's for free to get into, which is pretty cool. Don't pass that up if you haven't gone through the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. Check it out, okay? And so there's a lot of people finding success in here, look at that, posting how they've been earning. This person earned $100 there. This person, $200 for that 1 week or so. And there's a lot of people in here contributing and adding value to it, and even getting the books for themselves because they're trying to grow their skill sets, right? I've grown my skill sets over the years. That's made me somebody who's grown my personal brand. And hopefully you're following me now, and it's just somebody that I can help you with, understand how to do all these things, but copywriting, the marketing, the sales, the closing, the funnels, the email marketing, all of this different channels with different platforms and how to grow in them and who to follow and what groups to immerse yourself into. Okay, so we kind of went over them. We went over the Jacob Karras high ticket affiliate group. You have stuff like Spencer Meekum's Automation Nation. You had mine in there, the affiliate marketing with SEO, but it's much more than just SEO blogging. It's a whole bunch more. You have the Entre Nation with Jeff Lerner, the ClickFunnels Avengers affiliates group. You have things like Franklin Hatchett's Savage Affiliates, Ecom Elites, the Franklin Hatch-led affiliates. There's just so many that haven't had time to just put on the list here. Savage Affiliates private group. You can tell that's another one. And there's just so many of them that you will want to get yourself into, and some that I haven't even listed, but there's so many of them out there. These are just some good ones to begin with and to end up with. And I know if I haven't given recognition to some of those, I'll leave a list for them so you can also see that. Hopefully I'll add it down below in the description somewhere for more of them. But you can learn from these Facebook groups how to grow your affiliate marketing business and scale it. If you're having troubles, get into the community, because there's no better feeling than to immerse yourself in one. And more of them, get into more of them, because that way you can take bits and pieces from all of them and grow in your journey and your career as an affiliate marketer. So that's everything from me in this video. I named the ones that you should be primarily getting yourself into, seeing what's going on, actively contributing, because that will help. Just some of the other open groups, which you have to be careful for, post them there, but you have to be careful for. How you can get access to my 5 boring steps to 1,000 plus per month with affiliate marketing guide down below. How to do it in less time without having to have that experience on your hands, without having to be techie, without having to learn how to sell the way you think you should be doing that, and do this all in just a shortcut way, and all the excess material that I'll leave down below in the comments, or in the description, excuse me. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, have you started with affiliate marketing? Are you having trouble? What other Facebook groups to get into? Leave it down below in the comment section, and I'll make sure to get back to you. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe so that we can go and see my future material that I'll be coming out with on all the past work that I have already produced, hundreds and hundreds of videos that's helped out thousands plus of people not only get started with affiliate marketing, but continue in their journey, because there's always that hurdle, those hurdles that they're trying to get away from and pass through. So I can help you with all those things too. Okay, that's everything from me. Thank you.